Everyone, welcome to the new edition of this particular YouTube channel, Mr. Dare Your Bet. Alright, so in this particular video, we are going to be making use of just three AI app to predict basketball games. So I'm going to show you guys how to make use of this particular prompt. In the last video, probably on our other channel, which happens to be Dare Your Bet Predict, that's where I showed some of our audience here how to make use of this particular AI prompt and the step-to-step guide on how to make use of it to predict football games. All right, so in this particular video, I'm going to show you guys how to apply this particular prompt for basketball prediction. So we have just 6 games here under 3 leagues to predict as over point or straight winning. But first, I would like to show you guys the prompt and the process of how to apply the how to apply it on all these particular AI app that we are talking about. So the first AI we are going to be using is ChatGPT. We are going to be using DeepSeek and Grok. Alright, so in case you want to apply this particular prompt on football, you can actually access the video link of how to apply this particular prompt on football prediction. So I've made a video on that already. So we are moving on to how to apply this particular prompt into basketball games. Alright, so here is this particular prompt that we are going to be using, which says using the experience of a professional sport analyst and tipsters, analyze and predict this match outcome in 3 different markets with at least 90% probability of outcome using the data provided, and apply searched restarts, players injuries and other necessary factors. Make sure there is no mistake for accuracy and the match must end up as predicted. Alright, so if we apply this particular prompt, the system will generate 3 predictions for us that has at least 90% of accuracy. And if those predictions are not up to 90%, probability of outcome, the system will tell you that okay, the assurance, the confidence percentage of this particular prediction is maybe probably 60%, 70%. That's when you will know that okay, probably can you go for this particular match or you just look for another games. All right, so in order to avoid confusion, maybe some people will be like, after the system has generated 3 predictions for them, they may not know which one to go for among the 3. You can actually change this particular 3 to 2 or 1, but I would prefer to change it to 2 if you don't want 3. So you can change it to 2, change the outcome of prediction in just 2 games. All right, so we have this, and the next thing is to go and copy the stats of the games that you want to predict. Most times I used to copy the last 5 games of the home team, the last 5 games of the away team, and the last 5 games, the last 5 matches they had against each other. Alright, so what we want to do now is to copy each the start of each particular game that we have here. But in order to copy that, it may not be very easy for you guys to copy it from the app. So I make use of Chrome to copy the stats. I copy the last 5 games for the home team and the away team and for their head to head. And sometimes you guys can go ahead to copy the last 10 games, depends on how you can, dedicate your time into the process of analysis. Alright, so in order to make things fast, I'm going to copy the last 5 games for each team and their head to head alone for now. So we are going for this particular league and this particular match. Now let us go to the Chrome. Alright, so we have the match here and these two. So let's first look into this. Alright, so with this we can easily copy their last previous games. So we copy the home team, the away team, and their head to head. Copy it like this. So you copy it down. to the last figure. Now we copy, then you come back to this particular prompt, you paste, you paste, then you copy everything all together again, everything from the beginning to the end. Sorry. All right, so now that we've copied the prompt and the start, we click on search and we click on reason. For let's start with ChatGPT first. We click on search and reason, then we paste the prompt and the start. All right, so let's go. All right, so the system has generated the outcome for us. So the first market says that uh, rabbits to win by 92% probability, and the second prediction says that the total point, which happens to be over 145.5 with 93% of probability of outcome. But we've changed the predictions to 2 from 3. I didn't be that we left it by 3, it would have bring the third predictions based on probability of outcome. Now I would advise you guys based on one thing: when it comes to basketball games, don't go for straight winning, because in basketball games sometimes teams that the bookies are assigning 1.03 odds for can lose in basketball. So make sure that you always go for over points. And if the system is generating maybe player props, maybe predicting player rebound, assist, or point, you can actually go for that also. All right, so we won't apply this particular prompt alone on ChatGPT. So we are moving on to DeepSeek and also to Grok. All right, so now we have DeepSeek here, and we have on the deep think and the search. So we just have to paste the prompt and the start again. So paste. Oh, currently I think the server for DeepSeek is currently down. So let us proceed to Grok, and probably later you guys can explore DeepSeek very well. Alright, so pasting the same stats and the prompts in this particular AI app, which is Grok, you guys can actually get the outcome. Let us see what we have here. Alright, it seems that the team that ChatGPT is supporting to win the game is still the same here, but I told you guys that you should not really focus on predicting who to win in basketball. Now let us look at the total point prediction. Okay, and after sourcing like 140 pages, the system came with some of analysis, and we should have their prediction down here. All right, so we have the betting market predictions, and the market one says the total points should be over 160, and the market two says probably the same thing as straight winning and handicap, something like that. But we are not looking into that. Let's focus on predicting total points over. So this particular system is suggesting over 160 total points for this particular game. But in ChatGPT is suggesting it's best we go for over 145. So between these particular two, I think I would like to go for the safe option, which happens to be over 145. And since both are supporting over and not under, I think this is a good game to go for as over 145. Now it depends on if the bookmakers will provide the odd line for this particular market. So this thing can actually take your time. So this same process is what you are going to apply for the second game also. So let's make this one fast. Copy. So in case if you want to predict any other games, what you just need to change is to change the start, replace it with the current one that you want to predict, copy everything together. So let let us first start with ChatGPT. All right, so now ChatGPT has generated the results from what we input. Now we have, okay, the first prediction says that the match should end up as over 170.5, okay, and the second betting market says that both team to score over 80. Wow, this is amazing. Sometimes the system can generate a prediction based on player props, and it can generate anything, any other thing. But I just want you guys to focus on predicting your games on over points, over or under points, total points. Don't go for maybe straight winning or handicap. Basketball is not consistent up to predicting who to win. Just focus on predicting total points. Now let us check Grok, because currently DeepSeek AI is currently down, so we are checking Grok next. And uh, between this particular two AI app, you guys can actually choose which one is a better. Alright, so I will be pasting on Grok 2, and let's go. Alright, so under Grok, the system sourced for 120 pages and gave us this particular result. So let me just go for, okay. Alright, so we have the final prediction here, and we have it like, okay, we have two prediction one, prediction two. And the first prediction says that the total points for this particular match is over 150, and it has the probability percentage of outcome as 100%, okay. And we have the market 2, that is the betting market 2, the total points under 250. I'm sure the bookies will not provide this particular market, so the best thing is to go for over 150. And I think this align with predicting the games as over for what we've gotten from ChatGPT, which says that the predictions will end up as over 170. Alright, so these are the simple steps to just apply this particular prompt, copy the stats, paste it, and look for better predictions. Alright, so in case you want to join us on our basketball masterclass tutorial group, so in case you want to join us, you guys should just check the video description, the comment section. You are going to see most of our group links there. Join the private circle group, and we are going to inform you guys on how to proceed into joining our basketball masterclass group. Our basketball masterclass group is highly interactive, and there's nothing like blocking the chance of expressing yourself on this particular group. The group is mainly for, sharing your knowledge, expressing yourself, asking questions based on some of these particular strategies. So in case you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section. I'm going to answer you guys. And there's a particular plan that we currently want to apply under this particular basketball masterclass group, and that is a kind of a rollover which will take just 24 days. It's a kind of rollover which will take 24 days, and the odd range is around 1.30. And we are looking towards achieving this particular plan within just 24 days. All right, so see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you are just joining us, and if you have any question, please kindly drop it in the comment section. See you guys in the next video. Bye.